Hello everyone. So how to start the preparation? So this is a small session which is targeted for the first year students. So how they are going to secure a marks of more than 75% in each and every subject, that is anatomy, physiology and the biochemistry. Along with that, they could also secure a very good rank in the upcoming next examination. So how we are going to study and what are the perspectives and how we are able to crack each and every MCQs which will be asked in the examination. So before that, I would also like to introduce myself Dr. Mona Lisa, MD Anatomy from Armed Force Medical College, Pune, and the Anatomy subject faculty on the ADrPlexus. Now, so for building the concepts and for securing a better exam, a very well oriented, each and every subject workbook will be provided to you. So you can attempt all the important topics. So each and every topic has been covered in this workbook. So before coming to the session, so there will be an online live interactive session. So in that you can come prepare, you can just give 20 minutes, you can spare your 15 or 20 minutes before coming to the session, see the topic which is going to be covered. You can interact, okay, you can interact with your friends that what are the topics and which are the doubts which will be cleared right itself when the session is going on. And the faculties will clear all your doubts and the concepts right itself when the session is going on. So as I am a faculty of anatomy subject, I have included the workbook of anatomy subject, but there is the workbook which will be provided for each and every subject. So this workbook is made taking the whole concept that and also it is made prior or that all each every topics which is very important for your competitive exam and which is very important for your viva examination in the university and also for getting a better marks in the theory examination. So the whole view is that not only the whole preparation of your first year subject is done so that you can get a better marks, that is more than 75%, but you are able to crack your next exam in the first attempt with a very good marks. So this is the whole aim of ADrPlexus. Now, so why I am telling that before coming to the class, you discuss the topic with your friends, because what is the usefulness of this? So if I talk about that, it will be better for you to understand the topic and you cannot lose the opportunity of getting your doubts cleared in the session. So that would be very, very important. Other than that, it is also important that you should have a proper time management. Okay, for that I would like to tell that I will not give you a particular time that okay, you give self-study for this much hours for physiology or this much hour for biochemistry and anatomy. It's totally depends on you. But what you can do, you can assess yourself, you can discuss the topics, you must be having a group discussion, and there also you can with the test and examination which you will come to target in your medical college, you will be able to know that these are the concepts which is to be understand and given more time. So what I will tell that it is a self-study time each and every day will be 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour for each subject, that is biochemistry, physiology and anatomy. But if you feel, for example, if you feel that yes, anatomy is more vast as compared to the other first year subject, you can give 60% or 50% your time to anatomy, and then you can give 25% or you can devote it by yourself. So you are the better judge. But the thing is that each and every subject should be revised each and every day. It's not about revising the subject for 2 hours each subject. I am just talking about 1 hour dedicated for each and every subject. Okay. The next thing is that adding points to the notes. So what happens, workbook is already provided, the class will be covered and you will be present in the class, you will add on notes in that along with the images, tables and the notes provided with the faculty. You can add on your own notes. When you revise the content, you go with the standard textbook, and if you feel any important topics, you can just write out there itself in the space provided, and this will be very easy to revise before the examination. So that can be an added point. Now, the important aim of ADrPlexus faculty is to find perception in learning and integrating with the clinical concepts. Okay, so the trend which is seen that for your university exam, for your viva examination, it is seen that more of clinical, strategical MCQs questions and the viva and the concepts has to be asked. So what is important for each and every subject will be integrated. So that will be simultaneously going on. Okay, first year subject, along with it, what is the importance of studying? For example, if I take an example of femoral triangle, inguinal region. So it's not about just the basic anatomy which you have to understand. You have to also understand what is the utility of understanding this, okay, because it is correlated with different kind of hernias, femoral hernias, inguinal hernias, what is the concept of direct inguinal hernia, indirect inguinal hernia. So each and every topics will have clinical orientation, discussion, the importance, case. So we will have the case discussion also, and relevant MCQs related to the topic. The aim of each and every faculty of ADrPlexus is that not only that, they will also give you the concept how to score more marks in the university examinations. So how you are going to secure more marks. So it's not about just writing paras and paras in your theory examination. It's all about the points, flow charts to be made, okay. The important points has to be made, how you can make a better diagram, what are the most important topics which has to be included. So this all will be done. Along with it, the key points will be highlighted and revision will be done. So before that, I would also like to tell that for each and every subject, as I am a faculty of anatomy subject, so I would like that, yes, the notes is provided, the workbook is provided, all the important topics has been covered along with the MCQ discussion is there. But I would like to suggest that if you want to build more of your concept, you should go for standard textbook. For example, for your embryology, you should go for Langmans. For your histology, you should go for De Furier's histology. For your concepts building for the gross, it should be followed by Cunningham's and Grant's. So images are very, very important in anatomy. So same way, each and every topic should be integrated not only with the notes provided, it should be also integrated with the standard textbook which has to be followed. So that is the key to success. Other important point about key to success is revision and revision. So revision is very important, discussion is very important, and it would be an interactive session, and the goal of ADrPlexus faculties and also the student is to secure a good marks in your examination of theory paper and the viva and the practical, along with that cracking the examination in the first go. Now, before ending, I would like to tell continuous improvement is better than delayed perfection. Thank you. All the best. Myself, Dr. Mona Lisa.